In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated quiz progress bar using Canva, viral quiz video. Let's start by opening your video design in Canva. You can work inside an existing quiz layout or a fresh video canvas, either way. The progress bar will sit on top of your design and visually count down the time your viewer has to answer. Think of it as a simple readable timer that adds urgency and keeps people engaged. Now, add two rectangle shapes. The first rectangle will be your background bar. Stretch it to the full length you want across your video. Usually along the top or bottom edge. Choose a subtle color like gray, so it doesn't distract from the question and choices. Then add a second rectangle on top. Perfectly aligned to the far left of the background bar. This top rectangle is your progress color. Pick a bold, high contrast shade like green or your brand color, so viewers can see it clearly. Make the top bar the same height as the background bar and set its full width to match the total distance you want the progress to cover. The animation will reveal it across that length. Click to select the top colored rectangle only. This ensures the animation applies to the moving bar, not the entire page. Head to the top toolbar and click Animate. Then choose the wipe animation. This effect will reveal the colored bar across the background in a clean, professional way. Make sure the direction is set from left to right. That matches how viewers naturally read progress and keeps it intuitive. Use the speed slider to control how quickly the bar fills. The key idea is simple: the bar should reach the end right as your quiz segment finishes, so your audience knows when time is up. Next, set the total duration of the video page to match your quiz segment's length. If your question is on screen for, say, 8 seconds, set the page duration to 8 seconds. Then fine-tune the wipe speed so the bar completes exactly at the end of that time window. This pairing of page duration and animation speed is what makes the progress feel precise and satisfying. When you are happy with the timing and look, download the result as an MP4 file. This format preserves the motion cleanly and plays nicely on social platforms and inside longer edits. That's it. Thanks for watching.